Are you trying to shake up your dinner game? For me, it feels like half the work of cooking is just figuring out what to make. So today I'm sharing delicious vegan dinners. I tried to put a lot of variety in this collection so there'd be something for everyone. This collection has some of my website's most popular vegan dinner recipes, but if you need even more ideas, check out the link in my profile. The first recipe is my tofu burrito bowl. This is an easy dinner and meal prep recipe that stars chili lime tofu that is just absolutely delicious in this bowl or really any bowl meal that you add it to. You can make the tofu in the air fryer or the oven. Either way, while that's cooking, you have plenty of time to make the easy, flavorful one-pan beans and rice that goes with it. You can use the same toppings as I am, like lettuce, tomato, avocado, green onion, or mix and match to use what you have in your own fridge and pantry. Whatever toppings you choose, these burrito bowls are incredible. What I like about them is that everybody in my family can customize their bowls with their toppings of choice, so everybody gets what they want. Next up is my mango sushi. If you've never made sushi before, don't panic, it's a lot easier than you think. All you have to do is make the sushi rice, and while that's cooking, you can prep your fillings. In this case, that's mango, avocado, and green onion. Once the rice is cooked and cooled, you just spread it onto seaweed, layer on your toppings, roll, slice, and serve. You can top these rolls with sesame seeds for some protein and crunch. And of course, you can mix up your sushi fillings to use things like strips of air fryer tofu or other veggies or anything you want. Up next, we have this amazing dinner salad with roasted beets and sweet potatoes. I love a fully loaded salad like this, where the greens are just like a vehicle for all those delicious toppings and the dressing, you know? For this recipe, you roast your beets and sweet potatoes in the oven or in the air fryer. And while that's cooking, you have plenty of time to mix up the balsamic dressing, which is just like a dump everything into a bowl and mix it together situation, and to make the lemony smashed chickpeas, which are quick and easy right in your food processor. You pile all of that over some arugula or your favorite salad greens, top it with the chickpeas and minced red onion, and the beets and sweets, slather on that sweet and tangy balsamic dressing, and it is ready to go. If you like things spicy, you're gonna love my one pot gochujang spaghetti. This is a super easy, flavor-packed one-pot meal. Even the spaghetti cooks in the same pot with the veggies and the sauce. This dish is just creamy, spicy, and super satisfying, and you are gonna love it. And finally, we've got General Tso's tofu. This is a zesty, sticky, slightly spicy tofu that you serve over rice with as much broccoli as you want. Because you know at the restaurants, they are not giving you enough broccoli with that General Tso's. While the tofu cooks up in the oven or in the air fryer, you make your sauce in one pan on the stovetop, toss it together, cook the tofu for a couple more minutes so the sauce gets like sticky and clinging to the tofu, and then dish it up with plenty of steamed broccoli over rice or noodles. I know that figuring out what's for dinner can feel challenging, and I hope that some of the recipes in this collection gave you some inspiration for your weekly meal planning. Speaking of meal planning, did you know that I created a weekly meal planner? This is an all-in-one day planner and meal planner, and not only does it put your life plans and your meal plans all in one place, but it looks cute doing it. You can find a link to the meal planner in the description as well. If you need more dinner inspiration, check my website. The link in the description will take you to the dinner section where there's over 100 dinner recipes for you to choose from. Let me know if you found this collection helpful and if you'd like to see more videos like this. And if you have any questions about making vegan dinners that I didn't address in this video, feel free to drop a comment. I'm always happy to help. And don't forget to rate and subscribe. Happy cooking!